Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, I'm back with another exciting video about my recent trip to Barcelona. In today's video, I'll be taking you to the best beach in Barcelona for walking. So, if you're a fan of beautiful views, refreshing sea breeze, and long walks on the beach, this video is for you. Make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel videos like this one. I started my day early in the morning and headed straight to the beautiful Barcelona beach. The moment I arrived, I was welcomed by the beautiful view of the Mediterranean Sea and a pleasant breeze. It was a perfect day for walking on the beach, and I couldn't wait to explore. As I started walking, I was amazed by the stunning beauty of the beach. The wide stretch of golden and clear blue waters, and the view of the beautiful buildings of Barcelona in the distance was breathtaking. The sky was so clear, and the sun was shining bright, making the whole scene look even more beautiful. Walking on the beach, I could feel the sand under my feet, the warmth of the sun on my skin, and the soothing sound of the waves crashing against the shore. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and write a comment below about your favorite walking experience on the beach. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel videos.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.